Uptown Swing, level 2. Maddie, Jeremy. This is Swing Out month. Today we did 2 different turns from swing outs. We did the inside turn and the outside turn. Starting with the outside turn, it looked like this.
Do it. No, you're right. You were right. You were right. We'll do it here.
This. A 1, 2, 3, a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We talked a lot about how on that 6, you gently sort of open the door behind your follower. We don't need to crank over their head. In fact, we had a bonus move where this could be a free turn because you don't need that overhand hand. Wop, da. You guys did great. Then we did the inside turn. 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, 2, 3, a 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That one we talked about. We don't want it to be circular. It's really like walking down a line, letting it happen way later than we thought. That's what we did.